Greetings, viewers of today. We embark on an essential journey through the intricate world of fatty liver, a condition that impacts countless lives globally. Fatty liver, characterized by the accumulation of fat within liver cells, can have profound implications for your health. If you're concerned about your liver's well-being, you're in for a treat. Join us as we delve deep into the top 10 major symptoms you should be well versed in. So, without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in this enlightening exploration. 1. Fatigue. Our odyssey begins with a symptom that many may overlook: fatigue. Experiencing persistent weariness and a constant lack of energy could be signaling a fatty liver. The liver, besieged by excess fat, struggles to function optimally, leading to a state of perpetual exhaustion. 2. Unexplained weight changes. Our second sign takes us into the realm of body transformation. Unexplained weight fluctuations, whether a loss or gain, can be tied to fatty liver. The intricate balance of your body's metabolism is disrupted, resulting in shifts that leave you puzzled. 3. Abdominal discomfort. Now, let's navigate the landscape of discomfort. If you're feeling full, uneasy, or even experiencing pain in the upper right area of your abdomen, it could be linked to fatty liver. The liver's enlargement exerts pressure on adjacent organs, triggering these sensations. 4. Jaundice. Our fourth checkpoint brings us to jaundice, a vivid indication. Yellowing of the skin and eyes, a hallmark of this condition, emerges due to the liver's impaired ability to process bilirubin, a key waste product. 5. Elevated liver enzymes. Journeying into the realm of medical diagnostics, we encounter elevated liver enzymes. These biochemical markers, notably ALT and AST, become elevated when liver cells sustain damage or inflammation, often the result of excess fat. 6. Insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar. As we forge ahead, let's unravel the complex interplay between fatty liver, insulin resistance, and elevated blood sugar. Fatty liver often joins forces with insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Monitoring blood sugar levels is crucial, as they can offer insights into your liver's health. 7. Enlarged liver. Our seventh landmark, detectable through clinical examination, is an enlarged liver. If your healthcare provider notes this during a checkup, it could serve as a compelling indicator of fatty liver disease. 8. Swelling and ascites. The eighth milestone brings us to the realm of physical changes. Swelling in the abdomen and legs, known as ascites, emerges as fatty liver advances. This phenomenon stems from compromised liver function and subsequent fluid retention. 9. Abnormal blood lipid levels. As we navigate the intricate terrain of blood lipids, keep a watchful eye on abnormal levels, particularly elevated triglycerides. Fatty liver's influence on lipid metabolism can lead to imbalances that affect your cholesterol levels. 10. Poor concentration and mental fog. Our final destination, cognitive function. A surprising symptom of fatty liver is poor concentration and mental fog. The liver's role in overall body function extends to your cognitive well-being. If you find yourself struggling to focus or experience mental cloudiness, consider your liver's health as a contributing factor. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of the top 10 major symptoms of fatty liver. Should you recognize any of these signs within yourself, remember to seek the counsel of a medical professional. Their expertise will guide you toward a thorough evaluation and tailored guidance. If you found this immersive journey enlightening, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening quest, and until our next captivating installment, take care and stay well. The information shared in this video is intended for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment options.